Understanding Tableau's file types and folders. The main file type in Tableau is a TWB. A TWB is the Tableau file including sheets, dashboards, and stories, but it doesn't have any data. A Tableau package workbook, TWBX, contains everything in your workbook including sheets, dashboards, and stories, and it also includes the data that you use to build the sheets. A hyper file is an extract. So when you extract your data in Tableau, it takes a copy from the database and stores it on your local machine. It stores the file as a .hyper file. TDS files are similar, but they are used in older versions of Tableau. They are extracts that were done in older versions. In Tableau, let's understand how we create these files. So if I click File and Save As, I have the option to save this file as TWBX or TWB. Remember, if I save as TWB, it does not contain any data. So if somebody else opens it up, they will not be able to see any charts. TWBX includes all of your data, sheets, dashboards, and stories. If I navigate to the data source and click Extract, Tableau will create a hyper extract.